Now, from the sound, my friend, slowly come back to your physical body once again. Visualize your whole body in an imaginary mirror. Visualize like you are watching someone else in your mental mirror. Even visualize the color of clothes that you're wearing. Now the breath is normal, mind is peaceful, and body is relaxed. Just repeating mentally yourself. And now slowly bringing your awareness on your right leg. Become aware of your whole right leg. Your right leg is now relaxed. Relax your whole right leg. Repeating mentally 3 times that. Relax my whole right leg. Relax my whole right leg. Now switch your awareness to your left leg. Become aware of your whole left leg, toes, knee, thigh, and allow your whole left leg to relax. Repeating mentally yourself that relax my whole left leg, relax my whole left leg. Now coming to your right arm, becoming aware of the finger, back of the hand, wrist, elbow, armpit, even shoulder. Allow your whole right arm to relax. Repeating yourself, relax my whole right arm, relax my whole right arm. Now slowly bring your awareness to your left arm. Become aware of your whole left arm. Scan your whole left arm and allow your whole left arm to relax. Repeating mentally yourself, relax my whole left arm, relax my whole left arm. Now bring your awareness to your trunk. Become aware of your whole front. Become aware of your face, your eyes, your nose, your ear, your mouth, throat, chest, diaphragm, abdomen, pelvis, your whole front. Your whole front is now relaxed. Relax your whole front. Relax your whole trunk. Relax your whole trunk. Now slowly bring your awareness to your back. Become aware of your whole back. Become aware of your back of your head, neck, shoulder, both shoulder blade, upper back, mid back, lower back, spinal cord, tailbone, waist, hip, buttocks. Your whole back is now relaxed. Relax your whole back. Relax your whole back. Now become aware of your whole body. Become aware of your whole body. Become aware of your both legs, both arms, back, head, trunk, and allow your whole body to relax. Repeating mentally yourself, relax my whole body, relax my whole body. You have scanned and relaxed your whole body. Now, my friends, slowly become aware of the time of the day. Slowly and gently you're coming at this present moment, and now first becoming aware of your breath, then the sound, then the taste, then the touch, and then the object. Even your eyes is closed. Become aware of the friend next to you. Become aware of this room. And once your mind is fully externalized, my friend, then now slowly move your toes, your finger, your head, your neck from side to side. Move your neck from side to side. Interlock your finger. Take a deep breath in, and as you inhale, you tense your whole body tightly. Inhale, tense, tense, tense. Exhale, you release the tension. Now please slowly turn to your right side without opening your eyes. Turn to your right side. You need to stay in your right side for a while.